These are Spy Bounty frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. Now, first step in taking out or removing your lenses is to take one hand and pull outward on the top portion of the frame, while taking the other hand and pushing downward on the inside of the lens itself. Just like that. Again, pull out and push down. Now, once you've completed that step, the next step in replacing or reinstalling your lenses is to take the far side of the lens and place it into the grooves on the far side of your frame. You're just going to line it up and just slide it into place and push the remaining portions into their spot. Again, far side into the far side. You line it up, slide, and push. And you're done.